Hello everyone and welcome back to Basic Concepts of Math. And today what we are going to do, we are going to take the mathematical statements a step further and understand what is an equation. So students, before we start with equations, let's try and understand few of the statements which I have for you guys. So I have few statements right over here. The statement number 1 reads, Ram have 4 boxes of pen whereas Shyam have 6 boxes of pen. Now this is the English statement. What if I want to convert this into a mathematical statement? Now how do we convert this into a mathematical statement? For that we need to assume few things. Let's say boxes of pen is X and boxes of pencils are Y. Now I am saying boxes of pens and pencils are X and Y because this is a certain value which we don't know. In this box there could be 5 pencil, 15 pencil or 5000 pencils or pen. So if you don't know the value of certain thing in math, you denote it with a variable. So basically right over here X and Y is nothing but your variable. Now with the variable we have certain values as well, like 4 and 6. Now if somebody comes and asks me how many pens Ram have, I would say Ram have 4x. Why I am writing 4x? Because say example Ram have a box which is containing 5 pencils or 5 pen. So 5 into 4 is the total amount of pen Ram have. So this is how we get . Now what about how many pencils Shyam have? So student, is the same logic. There are total 6 boxes and how many pencils are there in the box we don't know, so we take the variable which is 6y. Now what are these terms or these things? We have already studied this in my previous video. This is also known as terms. So this is one term, this is another. Let me revise it once again. What is a term? Term is basically a combination of a coefficient or a number with a variable. They are joined together with a multiplication. If there is no sign in between, that means there is a multiplication. Such things are called term, and these terms are the building blocks of expression. If you can recall, expression is nothing but a mathematical statement. It's a type of mathematical statement. But do all the time mathematical statements are like this? No. Let's see one more statement. So it is extending the same statement. Sum of all the pens and pencils Ram and Shyam have is 120. Now there is a function which this is asking to us. So it is asking a function of sum. Now sum means addition. So what it is stating, the number of pens Ram have and the number of pencils Shyam have is being added, so the total will become 120. Let's write it down in terms of mathematics. So number of pens Ram have is 4x. The function which is asking us to do is addition, and number of pencils which Shyam have is 6y. And what it is stating, if we add both of this, what do we get is the total number of pen and pencil, which is nothing but 120. Now can you see a difference between this and this? So this was a simple term. When we have certain terms together, we call it an expression. So if we observe, this is a term, this is a term, this is nothing but a expression. If we have multiple terms like this, it's an expression. But whenever there is one expression and another expression, if you can see, this is an algebraic expression, this is a numeric expression. If both the expressions are equated with the equal sign, it's called an equation. So please students, do remember, if you have two expressions like this, numeric expression and algebraic expression. If you don't know what is the numeric expression and what is algebraic expression, please go up there in the link And there is another video which I have done only on explaining what is an expression, what are the types of expression, what is numeric expression, what is algebraic expression. So whenever two expressions are equated with the equal sign, it is called an equation. So students, have you got what is an equation? Let's revise it one more time quickly. If you have a mathematical statement which is just a term or a combination of term, it's called expression. But when there are two expressions, it could be two algebraic expression, two numeric expression, and one algebraic, one numeric expression. Whenever they are equated or are equal, it's called equation. Therefore, the word equation, the equal comes from here. So equal convert into equation. So this is what we mean by equation. So do remember what are the things required to prove something is equation. Rule number one, it should have two expressions. Now these two expressions has to be made up of terms and it has to be equated to each other. Whenever they are equated to each other, it is called an equation. But the next question normally you should ask, so why we are studying all this? We can write it in English. Why do we have to convert into such form? And whenever we do that, what is the application or the use of this in my life? What I'm going to do with this? So students, let's take this further and understand how these equations can be used in our day-to-day life. But before we start with that, let's try and understand, are there different types of equations? So what we're going to do and what we're going to learn in the next video, we're going to learn about what are the types of equations, and we'll also learn about how to use